Good evening. Just making this video. Got a question from a viewer asking if price breaks below 43.22 and holds. I think it may go to 38.95 in a few days. What do you think? So, I wish I certainly know. Wish I have a crystal ball that can tell you the exact number, and I don't. Um, but for that kind of price projection, I like to use this tool that I modified. This was this what you see here. Actually, I'm going to remove it right now. Just going to remove all the. Well, I guess just remove that portion here. I like to use this Fibonacci retracement, but I modified it to get a measure move. And so the high of the highest is like 52.69. So not really looking to get exact here, so it's about right there. So between about this low to that high, typically 70% retracement is a good place to look for a bounce. 30 and 40% I use for the strength if I'm trying to gauge the strength of this trend here. Certainly 30%, 40% is what I look for as far as the range. And as you can see today, it's nearly close to 50%. So typically, sometimes as well, it bounces from around there, and I have all these levels pre-marked already. When I trade, I look for these values and see if it actually bounces there, and then there's when I look to participate. From my earlier video, I had marked this gray level here for a bounce, but as you can see, 70% certainly, it's hovering around this area. So from your question of 38.95, which is let's just say 40 bucks around that area, it's actually the low of this range. So let me see, let me use a different price level here. So about 40.01 around that area, you're certainly looking for a bounce, and I can see that normally in a daily, if it doesn't hold 30 to this price range here, 30-40% range, you normally would retest 50 and then 70 around this 70 to 50% area here, and if we do just price analysis, as you can see, it used that level as a potential price support, because as you can see, this thing rallied in price, retraced back and bounced from there, and then come back up, right? So my thinking is that it'll probably, the $38 level certainly is a good place for a bounce. But I'm not sure if I really I don't do any long-term position holding. I just kind of trade every day. I don't hold anything overnight. So, but certainly it is a region, price level that is of interest to me as well. So certainly as the price goes there, then I'm certainly looking for a bounce, or these are the areas that if it's coming down, I'm actually looking for opportunities to come up. If that makes any sense. Anyways, hopefully that I answered your question. If y'all have any other question, just feel free to drop me a note similar to this user here. Just ask a question, ask away. I'm here to share trade ideas, and certainly I'm a price action kind of guy. So that's, I'm pretty sure anyone can benefit from this kind of question. I'm I'm no guru, but certainly I'm finding myself improving on how to price the market. So um, you know, just just I'm not making any investment advice or anything like that. So just take it for what it is, and please do read my disclosure here. So in any event, y'all have a good one. If you have any questions, just ask away. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.